Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your default browser or your search engine on your Android. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You don't have to force yourself to use Google Chrome or Samsung Internet just because it's the default browser on your Android device. You can change it to your favorite third-party browser within seconds. And how to do it? It's so simple. So first, if you want to change the search engine on your phone, you can open the Chrome if you usually use this. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. On the basic section, as you can see, there is an option search engine. You can just tap on that. By default, it's set to google.com. If you want to change it to another search engine, you can maybe want to use yahoo.com. You can use on Yahoo. Or you want to use Microsoft Bing or Yandex or DuckDuckGo. For example, I will choose yahoo.com. Let's go back and see. Now, your search engine on your browser using yahoo.com. You can change it anytime you want. So simple, right? So that is how to change your search engine on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.